Okay, for challenge number 2, you are going to be working with Tinkercad basic skills. So you're going to open Tinkercad. You can click on the link here. Make sure you log into your account. In the top right corner, you're going to click Learn and then click Lessons. So when you go in to Tinkercad, again, make sure you're logged in. Check the top right. You're going to click Learn here. And we've already done the starters. So this time I want you to click on the word Lessons. Okay. You're only going to see 4 of them, but I want you to click on the words See All Lessons. And it's going to open up and it's going to show you that there are 28 basic lessons. Okay, so if I go back to the challenge, it says click See All Lessons to view 28 possible creation lessons. You're going to choose any one of the 28 to complete. You're going to follow the step-by-step instructions provided on the left side of the screen. When complete, you're going to actually take a screenshot of your finished design and you're going to insert it on the Google slide at the bottom. Okay, so let me go back to Tinkercad. So now you're going to see that there are 28 different designs. So decide which one you want to do and click on the one you want. And I've already done this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and see if it'll let me reset it as soon as it opens. Come on. So you're going to be making a name tag keychain. So let me just reset. If you choose this one, you don't have to choose this one because there are 28 possibilities that you can choose from. And this one is a 6-step process. So again, it doesn't take very long, but you're going to go through the same way you went through the starters. Okay. So it does take a little while to load, doesn't it? Okay. Come on. Here we go. So keyring letters, project overview. In this project, you're going to learn to make keyring using letters. So we have this here. I'm going to hit next. It says time to get creative. Design one for your friends or for yourself. Start by dragging the letters to the red base. I'm just going to zoom in a little. So we are spelling the word Katie. Okay. It says to make positioning the letters a little easier, change the snap grid settings from 1 to 0.25. So in the bottom right corner right now, every time you move something, it's going to move 1 millimeter across your grid. Okay. If you want it to be more exact, you let it make smaller movements. So it tells us to change it to 0.25 in this example. So I would change to 0.25 for my snap grid. And then it says after placing a letter, the arrow keys on the keyboard will let you nudge the letters. Okay, so again, I'm going to move in. I'm going to drag the K, and I'm going to just try to put it into the K right here. And let's say I kind of was off to the side a little bit. I can use the left arrow key on my keyboard and I can nudge it into place where I needed it to go. So you can always use the keys on your keyboard too. Okay. And then I'm going to grab, whoops, did I miss it? Grab the A. Oh, I just rotated my plane by accident. I just wanted to zoom out a little bit. Let me rotate my plane back. Oh, here we go. And then let me grab the A for Katie. There we go. Okay, so I put the A in. And again, same thing, I would nudge, you can nudge whatever you want to do. Let's grab this T. I don't want to click on it, I just want to grab it. Grab the T and see if I can set that into place properly. And then let's move this out of the way because I need the I here for the I in Katie. And then finally, I need to grab the E and move the E. Okay, I'm just going to rotate my plane a little again so I can see it a little bit better. I'm going to hit next. And then it says, great, now adjust the size of the red base to fit your name. It's easy to resize the base using the black dots on the right side of the model. So I'm going to click on the red base. I'm going to grab this black dot right in the center and I'm going to drag it to resize it so that it is the size of the name. And then I'm going to, let's see, scroll down. I should scroll down. Click on the shape to select it, then drag. That's what I did. Okay, continue to the next step. Now do a little cleanup work by removing any leftover letters at the top. So all these letters up here, we don't want them anymore. So it says you can click and drag your mouse across the letters. That's how I usually select things. Okay, I just take my mouse and I just drag, I drag a big box around whatever I need to select. Notice the red dots. You let go. I'm going to hit just backspace on my keyboard and the letters are gone. Let me scroll down. Okay, it tells us how to do that. Step 5. Group the remaining shapes. Now group the leftover shapes. So select, again, I want to select everything on my work plane right now. So I'm going to drag a box around it. And by the way, you could hold shift and select one thing at a time as well. As long as you're holding shift, it'll all select, but it's faster to draw a box. So I'm going to draw the box. Up here on the toolbar on the right, if you float your mouse over this button, you're going to see that it's group. You can also Control G on your keyboard. You click it and group it together. And now if we went to move this, it's all connected as one. It's one object. I'm just going to Control Z to put it back where it belongs. I group them together. I hit next. And then it says, congratulations, great job. You made it. You can now create custom designs your own. I want you to take a screenshot. Okay. So go ahead and take a screenshot. However you do that on your device. And just select what I want a screenshot of. In this case, you can either save it and then upload it onto Canvas, or you can just copy and paste it. So I'm going to go to copy to clipboard. It's just, for me, it's faster. It might be faster for you to do it the other way. And then I'm just going to right click down here and paste. It's not going to work for me because I'm in the teacher version. Let's see if I go into student view, if it'll let me paste. All right. I think you guys get the idea. By this point in the class, you certainly know how to copy and paste, but yeah, it's not even gonna let me do it. So you would just copy and paste and then go ahead and submit it, okay? So just let me know if you have any questions. And again, you can do any of the 28. You do not have to do the keychain unless you want to.